Hello, everyone. Welcome to Eating the Alphabet. I'm Mr. Alex from Albert Einstein Medical Center, your fun, eat-right Philly health educator. I'm very excited to be here today. Can anyone guess what letter we're talking about? I'll give you a hint. It makes the sound you hear in dog, drum, and dinosaur. You said D. Great job. D is for date. Look at the picture. Do you see all the dates hanging in the tree? What color are they? I think they look purple and red. Do you know what kind of tree they're in? They grow on a palm tree. The dates that spell out the word and the word date are a picture of them after they've been picked. They look shiny or dull? I think they look shiny. Do you think they'd be sticky or not sticky? Dates are usually very sticky. Dates go in the fruit group on my plate. Fruits give us energy to run and play, and vitamins, minerals, and fiber to help us grow and not get sick. We know they're a fruit because they grow on a tree, and they have a seed in the middle of them. All fruits have seeds, and dates do too. Dates have one seed in the middle of them. Do you know what a seed is called when there's only one inside a fruit? It's a pit. Dates have a pit in the middle. We don't eat the pit, but you can eat everything else. Can you name some other fruits that have a pit in them? I can think of peaches, plums, mango, and cherries. Dates first grew in the Middle East and Africa, but now grow in many areas that have warm weather all year round. Date trees can be very old. Some are 1,000 years old. In the United States, they grow dates in the state of California. Look at the map and try and find Africa, the Middle East, Pennsylvania, and California. Why do you think we don't grow dates in Pennsylvania where we live? Right, it's not warm enough all year round for dates to grow here. Dates grow on specific palm trees called date palm trees. Date trees can grow to be very big and tall. They can be 82 feet tall.
Wow!
That's as tall as a building over 7 stories high, or 13 people standing on top of each other. Coconuts also grow on palm trees, but they grow on coconut palms. The dates grow in clusters, and the clusters hang down from the branches of the tree. Do you think the clusters look like they're heavy or light? I think they look heavy. A cluster of dates can be between 600 and 1,700 dates.
Cool.
When dates first start to grow, they're yellow. As they get older and ripen, they turn brown. Eat fresh dates, but people usually only eat dried dates. You can eat dates as a snack or eat them as part of a meal. In some countries, they're considered a candy because they're so sweet. People also make date bread. Just like all other fruits, you need to wash fresh dates before you eat them. Date farmers wash fresh dates before they dry them, so we don't have to wash the dates when they're dried. The bottom picture is of a machine they use to wash the dates before they dry and package them. We do have to wash our hands before we eat dates or anything else.
Soap.
Dates are good for our heart and our stomach. Both your heart and your stomach are important parts of your body. Your heart pumps blood throughout your body. If you put your hand over your heart, you can feel your heart beat. That's how the blood moves. Your stomach helps your body use the energy you get from food. Dates also have potassium, which makes them good for your heart, and iron, which is good for our blood. Let's review what we learned. What's the name of the food we learned about today? What letter does it start with?
D.
That's right, they're dates, and it starts with the letter D. How many seeds are in a date?
1!
Right, just one. What is the seed called? A pit. Good job. True or false? Dates grow in cold weather.
False.
Dates grow in places where it's warm all year round. Do we usually eat fresh or dried dates? Right, we usually eat dried dates. What color are ripe dates? Dates start out as yellow, but when they're ripe, they're brown. What parts of our body are dates good for? And what are some of the nutrients we get from dates? They're good for our heart and our stomach and our blood. Also, dates give us iron, potassium, and fiber. What do we have to do to our fresh fruits and our hands before we eat them? We always want to wash our hands and our fresh fruits and vegetables before we eat them. Dried fruits do not need to be washed before you eat them. Bonus question. Do coconuts and dates grow on the same tree?
No way.
No, they both grow on different types of palm trees. Wow, great job everyone! We learned a ton of information today. Thank you for joining me to learn all about dates. I hope you had fun and will find tasty ways to eat this fruit. Bye!